Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. XRP is getting closer and closer to his next major move. Multiple charts of mine are saying the same thing. A major move is in preparation and it's going to be huge. Today we have a nice schedule. First, I will talk about the Moonshot chart. I'm very happy to talk about this one as we've been waiting for the Moonshot signal for so long, guys. However, this analysis has to be counterbalanced with the big picture chart. So this is exactly what we will do. My name is Aquaflow and on this channel, we do our best to be as accurate as we can be when it comes to anticipate the next moves in the crypto market. That's all for the introduction. Let's begin. This is the Moonshot chart. I am using two moving averages. They are exponential moving averages. I'm using in yellow the 25 one and in green the 200 one. A lot of people asked how I set up this chart, so here it is, guys. Also, I want you to pay attention. We are on the XRP against BTC chart, and it's as easy as it seems. Every time we have a cross between those two lines, a major move is coming. However, we need to be careful. There are three types of crosses in the chart. Of course, we have the Moonshot Cross just right here. We have the sell-off cross. But do not forget this one when we avoid the cross. This is very important because this type of cross signals a move in the direction of the current trend. What do I mean by that? Well, let's take this cross as an example. As you can see, it came after a Moonshot cross. The yellow line was going down and was about to cross the green line, but the market reacted by triggering another moonshot and we avoided the sell-off cross. And this is exactly how we had a move in the same direction of the previous moonshot. Here it was the same thing. We avoided the cross and we had a smaller moonshot. And then this was the official cross, the sell-off cross, and the beginning of our nightmare. It was in 2019, so we've been waiting for a long time. But now, as we speak, we are about to retest the cross. This is huge, guys. So you should have guessed it by now. There are two possible scenarios. Either we get an actual moonshot cross, either we avoid the cross and we have a sell-off continuation. So do not get caught up in what you want to happen. Even if it's tempting, even for me, I'm not gonna lie, on this channel, I do my best to not fall into this trap. That's why I always balance my analysis. In my previous videos, I said that this was a very positive sign that XRP was back above the green line because here we used it as resistances. But the real signal is the cross between the green line and the yellow line. Whatever happens, it will be a gigantic move. It's time to move to the next chart, the big picture chart. You remember that we predicted this move thanks to the confluence points between the 180 weeks exponential moving average and the last resistance circle. Then I said that XRP would stay in this little zone for a little while. Because of course we have this enormous red resistance ahead of us, but at the same time we have this nice support around 42 cents. That was our support after the SEC sell-off, because as you can see here, when we had the sell-off, we had a breakout, we retested this beautiful support before the second moonshot. And again, this is the same level that held us after the breakout, retest of the confluence point, and then support again, and right now we are retesting the resistance. This analysis is complementary to the Moonshot chart. Indeed, the price retested the last resistance multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th time that we are retesting the resistance circle. And every time we did, the rejection was epic. You can see every time we got rejected to the downside in a pretty strong way. One day XRP will cross that resistance. But the question is, Will it be now? All I can say is that if XRP has to cross the last resistance circle, the coming weeks will be a great opportunity to do it, because thanks to the confluence between all these lines, the bull market support in blue, the moving average, the last resistance circle, and the band, we have a beautiful area of confluence. And if XRP is able to break out, it will be able to cross all these lines at the same time. So it will be a great opportunity. Unfortunately, we are still in a bearish area. That's why XRP needs to go above these lines in order for us to be bullish again. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We are on the verge of something big. And even if I want the price to go up, I cannot ignore the resistances that we need to overcome. I hope it's clear. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the content. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.